Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to...
Is the car driving us? Do we have a driver?
No.
We are in an autonomous vehicle. And look, it stopped at the red lights. It's windscreen wiping even though it doesn't need to see anything. That's very cool, isn't it? Let's see what happens when the lights turn. Here we go. Lights are about to turn. Here's our little ghost driver. Look at this. How cool is this? I want to take one of these home like a little bit. It's watching for the car on the other side. It's waiting. Look at that. How cool is that? I cannot wait to take one of these home. It's a very good driver. There's people up ahead. It's going to stop at the lights. So well behaved. No road rage.